Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Aerocoupe Clean in the building, man. How y'all doing on this beautiful Saturday morning, man? We out here in the neighborhood, man, about to do a photo shoot with my wife for a business. She got one of our models out here. But this video should be Eleanors Sequential Party Pack 2, Part 2, man. I'm excited, so to go pick up the part once we leave here. But I just want to show y'all what I got going on, man. But before we get to that, man, y'all already know, man, like, share, and subscribe, man. Like it. Now let's go ahead and get to it. I ain't gonna talk forever, man. Y'all already know I ain't with that. So let's get it, man.
He said spaghetti, bro. Yeah, have him sink them drill a hole and put the screws through there, the ones that go in there, because I would never did that shit.
Here we go, y'all. Part 2. Eleanors Sequential Party Pack. So we got the custom deck in the back. Put a sequential third brake light in. I gotta hook it up to a battery right now, so I got it wired to go flashing on the hazard lights. Y'all already know these done already. So what y'all think, man? I got the door open over there. I think that's so nasty. Come on, man. Y'all see it. Eleanor in the building. That's gonna flick at night, Joe. And everybody can see it because y'all see how I'm squatted down. So it'll do everything when I get it hooked up, for real. It'll do everything my third brake light will do. I mean, my tail lights will do. When I press the brake, hazards left and right. That's why it's off right now. But y'all see what's going on. What you think? Look good, don't it?